Okay, y'all, today we're gonna be making some chicken. I'm pretty sure Titus is gonna be cooking it all on the grill. Y'all have seen that before. He's making the Paula Deen marinade. I think he's doing it the same way. If he's not, we'll show y'all if he does something different. But I'm pretty sure he's making the Paula Deen's Daddy's tangy barbecue sauce thing that we've shown y'all a bunch of times. But we're also making a copycat of Aldi's chickpea and edamame salad. A lady brought it to the homecoming at church yesterday, and Titus kept talking about how great it was, and I've actually never gotten it from Aldi before. Well, we're making it. I looked up, the lady told us that the copycat recipe was online, so we just looked it up. So I'm just chopping up these carrots. Let me grab a bowl. Just lost a carrot right there. Let me see if I can get it out. Got your little carrot. The other night, Sissy made our ice cream. We've shown it to y'all before. It's the Java chip ice cream. It's been a long time ago though, probably close to a year ago. But anyway, Sissy knows how to mix it all together. So she mixed it the other night. She asked me what I poured into the ice cream maker for, and she had gotten it all set up. But if you're not careful with that little ice cream maker, you might forget something. Well, she forgot to put the frozen, container part in it that actually makes the ice cream because it's frozen. And so I was like, yeah, I'll pour it in, and I didn't check, and I just poured it in, and oh my goodness, it came out the bottom of the, outside part and went all down the stove. So we had to pull it out and clean back there, but now it's nice and clean. It was really funny though, because I was like, what's that sound? I heard something like water running or something, I was like, what is that? And then as soon as I looked, it was gushing out the bottom. Okay, so we'll put the carrots in here. I think it was only a quarter cup of carrots. I've got about half a cup in there, or it might have been half a cup, we'll see. I wrote it down over here. It was a quarter cup, but that's fine. We have extra carrots. We're gonna drain and rinse this can of chickpeas. I'm going ahead and making this so we can get it in the refrigerator while the chicken and all is cooking. Okay, I'm just gonna let those sit there and drain for a minute while we dice up our bell pepper. The original recipe had dried cranberries, but he wants raisins instead. So we're gonna put in a quarter cup of raisins. There are the chickpeas. We'll just stir that together. The edamame, we just need about half a cup. Now we'll mix the dressing for it in here. We need 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, ooh, that was a little more than 2, so there we go, 3. About a tablespoon or a little more of apple cider vinegar. Half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cumin, and a tablespoon of Italian seasoning.
Now, if anybody out there feels better about precise measurements.
Oh yeah, you can measure it.
But we cook so much that
we just eyeball.
It's very close.
Yeah, it's close. Now we pour this in. Now it says it gets better the longer it sits, but I want you to taste it and see if it's at least a little close. I didn't taste it yesterday, so you tell us if it's close to what that lady made.
I love that stuff. I ain't kidding you. That was great.
Let's stir it up. Now she did have the cranberries, right? Or did she have raisins too?
She had cranberries.
Okay.
That's good right there, yeah. Yeah, There's something coming through there that's from yesterday. I'm not sure.
I didn't taste it yesterday, so I'm not.
Do you got some more of that edamame? However you say that. Throw some more in that in there, Mom.
I think that's really good.
Let's throw some more edamame. All right, folks, we put some more of the edamame in here.
I mean, that's just...
Gotta have more edamame,
do
baby.
anything but unless you get more on your spoon.
That's really good. Got a stick of butter.
Okay, so you said you're gonna do this different.
I'm doing it different this time.
Okay. And he just has chicken drumsticks and strips, right?
Yep. I'm gonna be doing an edamame sauce.
Are you joking?
I'm just kidding.
Okay.
I've got some Heinz Worcestershire sauce, molasses. Now let's get us some garlic here. This is a 18-ounce bottle of Worcestershire sauce. I've got a little bit of this smoked maple syrup. Just about that much is all I'm gonna need.
If they can't find that, they can probably just use a little bit of liquid smoke and a little maple syrup.
Right.
You think?
Maybe. Wildflower honey. If you don't have the squeeze berry, don't let that bother you. Molasses, everybody.
Did you put garlic? Is garlic floating around in there?
Garlic's fixing to float around in there.
Oh, okay.
Folks, what could go wrong? Well, first of all, I just got a spoon that's too big to go in this doggone thing right here. See here? Good molasses. Let me give it some lemon juice, everybody. I can't forget about my garlic over here. Well, some of the garlic didn't want to come off, so I'll now take my little brush, I'll sweep my knife.
I feel like you need to turn it down, but that's just
Folks,
me.
I'm gonna turn it down. She's right. I'm gonna cut my lemon. Leave my sticker on. Simmer that thing down with some of that lemon juice. See there?
Yeah, that was
See?
a nice lemon.
You got some people with problems in their life. All they want to do is boil and fuss, squeeze a lemon on them. That will do that to people
Ooh,
too.
you gonna do two, a whole?
Yes, I am. This
Okay.
thing right here is mad. Y'all, let me taste this and see what we got.
What are we doing with that bacon?
We're gonna wrap it around in pepper.
Oh, you did
Pack
get
it
some
with-
cream cheese. Okay.
Pack it with cream cheese.
What kind of cream cheese you got over there?
Let's see what this tastes like.
Sometimes we ignore each other, but
No,
we
we
don't
don't.
get mad.
We don't ignore
I don't squeeze lemon juice on it. I can tell he got some lemon.
That's good. That's good.
What?
Whew, that's almost like a little coffin syrup from back in the 1900s. That lemon juice, Lord have mercy on me. Well, I'll put some more honey in this joker. Woo! It's good. It's definitely good.
Frogs.
He's the frog man.
I found a bunch of them. These ones are ground frogs, so
This is almost done, and I put this on a little later. I put my sauce in a little cup here out of that. That way I can now brush, see that? And you don't have to basically keep dipping back into that. Some people do it that way, but I just feel like it's cleaner if you do it this way. This chicken is not quite done. And if you pour you some into like a little cup, you can
Not have to dip into the whole pot of
You're not
sauce.
dipping into the whole pot of sauce.
Putting the raw chicken
Right.
stuff in there, yeah.
So this is
We
just
follow,
a little,
we follow.
little tip I'm trying to give people to keep them out of the emergency room. Pour this out and wash this. Just a little tip. Some of y'all probably will believe it and others won't. It's fixing to rain again. Folks, we get rain like several times a week. Let's see if I did all right on this chicken. That's really good. That's summertime right there, buddy.